Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're whipping up some kidney detox drinks, and boy, do I have some tasty concoctions for you. Let's kick things off with a classic lemon water with turmeric. Now you might be thinking, Doc, that sounds too simple. But trust me, this little powerhouse of a drink packs a serious punch when it comes to kidney health. So what's going on here? We're combining the citrusy zing of lemon with the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. Grab a glass of warm water, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and add a pinch of turmeric powder. Give it a good stir and you've got yourself a kidney-loving elixir. The lemon helps to alkalize your body and boost citrate levels, which can prevent kidney stones. And turmeric, well, it's like nature's little anti-inflammatory superhero. Now, let's move on to our next kidney-friendly drink, cumin water. This one's a bit of an unsung hero in the detox drink scene. To make it, you'll want to soak about a tablespoon of cumin seeds in water overnight. In the morning, strain the seeds and drink the water on an empty stomach. It's that simple, folks. Cumin water is known to help flush out toxins and reduce bloating. Plus, it's got this earthy, slightly spicy flavor that'll wake up your taste buds. As always, remember that while these drinks can be beneficial, they're not a substitute for medical advice. If you have any concerns about your kidney health, make sure to consult with a healthcare professional. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep those kidneys happy.